Kaibigan namin.
Bloom!
Yee!
Hello. Ako po pala si JM Vivar. Ayun. Bali, medyo personal talaga yung tanong mo. Gusto ko yung maiiyak kayo, pati kami. Ayun. Girls, if you guys given a chance na makita yung future self ninyo, ano yung message nyo sa kanila as being?
Gusto niyo maiyak? Ayun, sa tumalayo. Ano ba tayo sa isa or ano? Leader?
Kayo po, pwedeng...
From Stacy. From Gwen. Go, Gwen. Go. Future self. Future self?
Future self.
Ano ba? Future 70-year-old namin. Akala ko yung... tama po ba? Yung
Future
message
self
ng...
as being po.
Age mo ngayon sa future self.
Sigat na lang kaya to.
Let's say in the next 5 years, gano'n.
For myself.
Or pwede for myself na lang. Or para sa baby. As Beanie. As Beanie? As Beanie. As Beanie. I'm proud of you, girls. I'm proud of you. Kunyari na naman yun. Message to yourself. Sa sarili. 5 years as Beanie Gwen. As Beanie Gwen. Beanie pa rin ako, so proud ako sa'yo. Ano ba? Wala akong maisip. I'm proud of you, Gwen. It's okay, Gwen. Yan eh. Go, Gwen! Go, Gwen! Proud ako kasi nalampasan mo lahat and hindi ako iiyak. Ano ba? Ano ba iisip? Power back. Keep going. Yeah! Ako naman, to the future Beanie, I am so proud of you for being the eldest Beanie after 5 years. Ano, ilang taon na ba ako? 30 pero sumasi ang pantromi ko! Or yung song namin. I hope na you're stronger than ever and you're still gonna keep continuing with a heart that's filled with so much fire. Yun.
Naghihingi siya ng ano.
Hi, Joanna. Ano ba? Thank you. Thank you for not giving up. I'm so proud of you. I know how much you've sacrificed and worked just to get where you are. And salamat. And thank you kasi nagagawa mo na yung greatest dreams mo bukod sa performing. Broadcaster ka na ngayon and nagagawa mo na gusto. Ano ba? Yun lang. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Yes, we love you.
Ako, ano ba sasabihin ko?
Mahal ko yun.
Thank you. Kasi sobrang strong mo. And, I'm so proud of you.
Diba ang hirap?
Just be yourself. And, mahal kita.
My future self, Beanie Maloy. I hope sana, parang hindi pa rin mawala yung love mo sa music, sa arts, and yung heart mo to just live, na mabuhay lang sa mundong to. Kasi ang pressuring na like yung kahit nakatayo ka lang, hindi mo makakontrol yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao, kahit wala kang gawin, may masasabi talaga. So I hope sa ilang taon ko na yun, kung ilang taon man ako ngayon, sa future Maloy, I hope na andun pa rin yung heart mo, na nakasmile ka pa rin palagi, and yung dilaw Maloy. Yeah. Thank you. I love you, Maloy. And you love me. Tama na. Auntie Sheena.
Anong tawag niya sa'yo?
It's mommy.
Okay,
Daddy was Speedy po.
Sige, okay. Me, gusto ko yung message ko precise. My message is for Bini Sheena in 5 years. And I'm so proud of you. Good job! Kapit lang kasi last year, sorry. Hindi, joke lang. Pero I'm so proud of you. In 5 years, grabe, ang dami mo ng bahay, napatayo, ang dami mo ng dami mo ng pets, dami mo ng ano, ha? Hindi, pero yes, ang dami mo ng achievements, and to more achievements pa as Sheena and as Bini. Yes.
Okay. Children.
Picture po.
My message to Mika in 5 years, no? 5 years. I hope that you are closer to the best version of yourself that you have always been aiming for. And sana wag ka mag-stray away from being a good person. Like, kahit sirain ka ng mundo. Tama! kahit sirain ka ng mundo, you are still gonna choose kindness and you are still not gonna stoop down to the lowest of lows out there.
Love you, Mika! Love you, Mami!
And alagaan mo rin yung mga kotse mong madami. Yes, and I hope I have a pet farm with my cats, my dogs, my jaguars, my cows, and goats. Yes, thank you.
Dami mong alag.
I respect
Ako naman, 5 years from now, siguro naman sa panahon na to, medyo, ano ba, parang, meron ka ng 3 bahay, isa sa Pilipinas, isa sa Korea, isa sa US. Ayun, proud ako sa'yo, super proud ako sa'yo, and sana kahit hanggang ngayon, castle pala, sabi natin ka-castle daw, ayun, sana piliin mo pa rin yung maging mabait, maging mabuti, because a good heart will always win, and always thank God forever. We love God.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you to our nation's girl group.